No, can I just sleep on Saturday? Because you said, didn't you
I'm
say?
at work this weekend.
You said you've week that she can sleep sometimes.
I'm at work this weekend.
No, but the other week you said that she can sleep this week sometimes.
I don't know, Andy. I just feel like my life's falling apart. The professor's in jail and now Leo's gone forever. Stay strong.
Are you still at
The
work?
best friend I have left.
Have you got tomorrow off
I don't
school?
even know.
Yeah.
Have you thought about asking Bender?
Have you still got work?
Come on. I'd love to talk to Bender, but I have no idea where he is.
Well, if he's running on 12 processors, he must be someplace with a lot of power and liquid coolant.
Oh, no. I'm gonna go kill myself. Wait a second. Power? Liquid cooling? That gives me the option of electrocution or drown.
Chelsea. Chelsea, watch this.
Chances of surviving one of those.
Oh, it's not doing it. Oh.
I like those eyes. Whoa, this is no bell. It's a stinking cat. I'm on my
Oh,
way.
goodness. It just, I was like that and it just like. Watch this. Watch, Ellie. Jumps up to mine.
Not worth $3,000.
Does that to me? Oh, did you see that?
In here is the only place I'm not. I amuse myself.
Bender? What happened to you?
I'll try to put it in terms you can comprehend. I passed the existential singularity.
Try harder.
I hacked myself inside out. Now the entire universe is my processor.
Whoa, I definitely want to hear about that. But first, I need your help. The professor and Peter are in trouble and Leela left me. I'm in misery.
I've grown far beyond the petty concerns of your world. Every time I burp, the
Mom.
galaxy's born.
What about if the cat stops
All the
sleeping?
shit